స్టీల్ కావాలంటే స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది అధ్యక్ష? కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ప్రవేశపెట్టిన ప్రతి బిల్లుకి మద్దతు ఇస్తున్నప్పుడు స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్ కోసం ప్రత్యేకంగా గనులు ఎందుకు అడగలేదని వాళ్ళు నిలదీశారు అధ్యక్ష. నేను చెప్పాను మీకు ఒక కార్యాచరణ ప్రకటించండి. మాకు ఆ రోజున ఒక ఎమ్మెల్యే, నా ఎమ్మెల్యే కూడా మీరు తీసేసుకున్నారు. వైసీపీకి ఉన్నారు, మీకు టీడీపీకి ఉన్నారు. ఆ రోజు 175 మంది ఎమ్మెల్యేలు, 25 మంది ఎంపీలు. ఒక ఐక్య కార్యాచరణ ప్రకటించండి అంటే అండగా ఉంటామని చెప్తే కూడా వాళ్ళు కాపాడుకోలేపారు అధ్యక్ష. కానీ నారా చంద్రబాబు గారి నాయకత్వం మేము కాపాడుకున్నాం అధ్యక్ష. స్టీల్ మేము చాలా గర్వంగా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాం, చాలా గర్వంగా చెప్పగలం అధ్యక్ష. అలాగే దీన్ని ప్రత్యేకించి అధ్యక్ష, ప్రధానమంత్రి గారికి మన సభ నుంచి అందేలాగా ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ మన అమరావతి మన క్యాపిటల్ దగ్గర నుంచి వెళ్ళేలాగా, అక్కడికి అందేలాగా వారికి నా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తాను అధ్యక్ష. I take this opportunity to express my wholehearted gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji for his unwavering trust in the Andhra Pradesh government and for extending the immense support in every aspect of state development. मैं इस अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार पर भरोसा दिखाने और विकास में सहयोग देने के लिए अपना आभार व्यक्त करता हूं. The Polavaram project, Adhyaksha, the key things. One is Polavaram project. The central government stood by us. That is, number one is Polavaram project, the lifeline of Andhra Pradesh. The Polavaram project is crucial for irrigation, resolving the drinking water crisis across the state. Under the previous regime, the project faced severe neglect with less than 10% of the work completed, leading to unnecessary cost escalations and delays due to reverse tendering. After forming the new government, Honorable CM Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu reassessed the project status and sought central support. The central government under the leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji responded immediately, approving 12,157 crore for 24-25 and 5,936 crore for 25-26, ensuring rapid progress towards completion. The second one is Jal Jeevan Mission, Adhyaksha, safe drinking water for every household. The mission aims to provide 55 liters of safe drinking water per person daily through tap connections across 95.44 lakh households in Andhra Pradesh. The previous government failed to achieve even 1% progress in 5 years. The central government has sanctioned 27,000 crore for phase 1, boosting implementation efforts. The Andhra Pradesh government also has requested 54,000 crore for phase 2 and successfully advocated for an extension of the mission till 2028. And we acknowledge and we thank Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. Another major development projects worth 2.8 lakh crores on June 7th from Visakhapatnam, Honorable PM Sri Narendra Modi ji inaugurated and announced 2,08,548 crore worth of development projects, including a Visakha railway zone, for strengthening and connectivity and boosting regional transportation, green hydrogen hub and bulk drug park, positioning Andhra Pradesh as an industrial core leader, Chris City in Krishnapatnam industrial area, Tirupati district, enhancing economic opportunities, various national highway and railway projects improving infrastructure and connectivity, Urvakal industrial corridor driving employment generation in Rayalaseema region and reducing migration. Visakha steel plant, as I said, sir, it holds a very great emotional connection. I'm grateful to Honorable PM for understanding and allocating funds for additional supporting, increasing its financial support from 620 crore to 8,620 crores for 24-25 and 3,295 crore for 25 and 26, ensuring its revival and profitability. We're grateful to Honorable PM Narendra Modi. The central government has actively promoted regional heritage through Man Ki Baat and pilgrimage rejuvenation and spiritual heritage augmentation drive initiative, which is called, in short, the acronym is PRASAD initiatives. Andhra Pradesh Wooden Toys Tableau won a national award at the Republic Day Parade, bringing national recognition to our Andhra Pradesh craftsmanship. Commitment towards Vikasit Bharat 2047 on behalf of 5 crore Andhra Pradesh people. We express gratitude to Honorable PM Sri Narendra Modi ji for his unwavering trust in our state government under the leadership of Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu. Under his visionary leadership, Andhra Pradesh is committed to contributing towards a $2 trillion economy as a part of Vikasit Bharat 2047. We all will work relentlessly to achieve Swarnandhra 2047, ensuring a prosperous and a developed Andhra Pradesh. Employment generation through NREGA, the central government has allocated 5,621 crore under wage component and 3,233 crore under material component through NREGA, which has generated 22.04 crore working days and provided employment to 73.27 lakh laborers, ensured 100 days of assured employment for 3.23 lakh families. Development of